Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Venkat Bhaskar. Guys, we are going to start new batch on 16th July at 9 to 10 p.m. Monday to Saturday, 1 hour of session, guys. So, if who are eligible to take this course means if you know core Java, okay, now you can enroll in this course completely end to end. I am going to teach you. If you want to become Java developer, you want to expertise in Java developer means this particular course will be suitable for you. Java plus additional benefits means DevOps skills and cloud. If you attend any interview, guys, first core Java and then Spring Boot, microservices. Apart from these three skills, you should have a knowledge on cloud skills also. Yeah, one cloud knowledge you should have, and your project how to deploy in Kubernetes in the cloud. In interview, they can ask you a simple question. Hey, can you please explain how you can deploy microservices in the Kubernetes? You should say answer, right? Those skills also I am teaching you in this course, guys. Full stack microservices. We are going to develop a e-commerce real-time Java project here. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. And we divided into 5 modules here: Java and Spring Boot skills, DevOps and cloud skills, deployment strategies, security skills, and UI skills. You have a 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, doesn't matter. For everyone, these skills are mandatory here. If you want to attend demo session, you can drop a message to the in WhatsApp, or you can use these meeting details. You can register for demo session as well. The complete course content I'm going to teach you on 16th July. Don't miss this opportunity here. Why I'm saying is, in outside they are charging separately. Spring Boot and microservice one price. Okay, DevOps has a separate cost. Cloud skills has a separate cost. Security separate cost. Instead of paying so much amount on multiple courses at one place, all the skills are combined. But core Java, you should have a knowledge. This is the first point you need to remember. Okay, now, anytime, any question, you can drop a message to this number. Our team will help you here. So, this course is overall duration is 40 days here, guys. It course contain around 13 modules we have. Okay, out of these 13 modules, first 4 modules are Java development, and that remaining modules are completely for DevOps plus cloud knowledge also. You should, if you are an experienced person, definitely you should have a knowledge here. Okay, now it's a live interactive session, interview preparation and mock interviews also we have. It is a lifetime access to session recordings as well, guys. It's you utilize this opportunity. We have a early bird discount offer we have. Now, if you want to know, just you can drop a message to this contact number here. And additional benefits, complete notes also. Suppose, just let me show you something, guys. Now, if you go to our website, interview videos also we have. Now, just observe here, interview questions and answers. If you see, Spring Boot interview questions, microservice interview questions, security, Docker, Kubernetes. Okay, in this way, n number of interview questions we have, and these recordings also we will share you guys. Interview preparation. If you are attending an interview, if you watch these videos, 80% will cover. Remaining 20% is up to the mark, but 80% questions will be covered. Still we are doing few more videos as well. This benefit also you will get for interview preparation as well, guys. Okay, now you can ask another question. Can you complete within 40 days this much course content? Lot of people thinking it will take 6 months or 1 year. No, guys, we can complete within 40 days. How? Means recently one batch completed, 40 batch completed. Now in this video, maybe 41 is recently, I mean, morning batch is going on, evening batch 42 batch. Here, if you see here, overall 30 comments means 30 students are commented on 40 batch, guys. We'll see couple of comments here, guys. Just have a look here. I recently completed real-time Java project. AWS, Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes course in batch 40. I must say it is an excellent learning experience. This course covered everything from Spring Boot concepts with a strong focus on real-time project development, scratch to advanced in-depth. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Reddy, and see complex whichever complex concepts also explain in a simple and clear way. So you can go through these comments, guys. N number of students are given already here. So thank you, guys. Thank you very much whoever all given comments to us, so that students will trust us and they will join our course as well, guys. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. Drop a message to this number, and please attend our demo session. If you have any questions, this is our Zoom link and this is the password, or in comment box also we will give a Zoom link. Register for demo session. If you have any questions, we will you please connect on 16th July at 9 p.m. I will take all your questions, guys. Okay, and we have a discount offer. We have, if anyone interested before demo session, we have a early bird discount offer. Utilize this offer before starting the course, guys. Already people are enrollment is started, guys. Okay, thank you very much.